29 million households will have a delayed refund this year. Shocking, although not too shocking considering how many people are still waiting on their stimulus or their refunds from 2019. Wow. Okay, if you're waiting on your refund, what should you do? I got those details coming up. My name is Mike Bernard. I'm the host of the Wise Money Show. I'm also one of the certified financial planners right here at Korhorn Financial Group. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and smash that thumbs up button. And check this out, 29 million households waiting on refunds this year. And the IRS is basically saying, don't blame us. Don't blame us. Okay, well, who should we blame? It's our money. Give it to us. They're saying, listen, there's some retroactive changes from the stimulus plans that now through child tax credit, earned income credit, we've got to actually manually process some tax returns, and obviously manual is going to take a lot longer than just doing everything electronic. They found some errors. There's other issues that they're citing, saying, yeah, sorry, it's going to take a long time. And so checking for fraud on all the stimulus payments and all sorts of stuff. So listen. For all of us, that means you're going to wait longer for your refund. What I normally tell people is, and you know, I've been doing this for decades, so it's just, all right, sign here, blah, blah, blah. All right, we get this e-filed. It'll be e-filed today. You'll probably get an email within the next 24 hours saying it's been filed and accepted by the IRS. If you got a state refund, it's going to come real quick, usually within a week or two. Federal refunds, probably 2 weeks. Give it 3 before you bug me. Okay, that's just my language. That's normally what I tell people. Now the IRS is saying it's going to be at least 21 days. So what do you do if you filed your return and you're expecting a refund and you're waiting and you're waiting and you're waiting? What do you do? I got 3 steps. First is you've got to confirm that your return was filed. Get a lot of comments and questions from people that say, hey, I'm waiting on my refund, waiting on my refund, waiting on my refund. Come to find out, their tax preparer, their CPA, their software never even actually submitted, never officially filed the tax return. They thought they did, never officially filed. Now, this could be from a number of reasons. I'm not going to belabor it, but I mean, you could have signed the e-files and dropped them off, but they were never filed, okay? You could have assumed that your preparer filed them for you, but they are still waiting on something from you or waiting on your e-files, your signed e-files, your software, same thing. You want to make sure that you get that confirmation. Yep, my email or my e-files have been filed. Now, all of our clients, they get an email. It's an automated email that as soon as it's processed, you get a confirmation that your e-file has been filed, okay? And then within 24 hours, you then get an email that says it's been accepted by the IRS. Now, for some odd reason, I'm assuming the pandemic, a lot of those emails went into spam this year. I don't even think I got mine. So we've had a lot of people contacting us, which again is that first step saying, listen, did everything get filed here? And we're able to look it up and say, yep, it absolutely was. So that's the first thing. If you're waiting and waiting and waiting, you got to confirm, was my return actually filed? Has it been accepted by the IRS? That's the first one. Turns out that's the easy one. The second step is, okay, no, it's been filed. Now you've got to get online and see where's my refund. And it used to be actually a site that was, where's my refund? It's changed a little bit, but go to irs.gov, and in the upper right, obviously you've got lots of options there, but upper right is get your refund status. That's what you're looking for. I think they used to call it where's my refund. Makes a little more sense, but get your refund status. So click on that. All right, that takes you to the next page that is going to tell you, hey, we are having processing delays. Yeah, we know, okay? Wise Money Guy just told me that. We are having processing delays for all sorts of reasons, so just, give us a little bit of slack here. No, it's our money. Okay, so from there, click on the check my refund status. You are going to need to enter your social security number. I don't love it, But if you want to know the status, you're going to have to enter that in there, okay? You need to know your filing status, married filing jointly, married filing separately, single, whatever, okay? You're going to need to know that. That one should be obvious. The most difficult one should be you've got to enter in your exact refund amount that you're expecting. So this isn't something you can just do on your phone while you're waiting in line at Starbucks. Well, no one does that anymore. You got to order online and come in with a mask and blah, blah, blah. But you get the gist. You actually got to have your return in front of you. Okay, I'm expecting this refund amount. You've got to enter that in order for it to tell you, well, where are things at. Once you enter that in, it's going to show you this. It looks like the Domino pizza tracker. Okay, it's going to tell you, it's tracking where your refund is. And this one's actually a screenshot of my own. I did some poor tax planning, all sorts of crazy things. I'm getting a refund this year. I owed a lot last year, tried to adjust some things, and anyway, it's just complicated. So I'm getting a refund. Don't like it. I'll take it, of course. But and it's saying, okay, my return has been filed. It's been accepted. Second stage, I'm not there yet, and that is my refund's been approved. I'm not there yet. And then after that, refund being issued. Okay, so look at your Domino pizza tracker here. Look at this bar chart or this chart that says where your status is. All right, that should resolve 99% of the concerns out there about, wait a second, I filed my return, I haven't got my refund, where is it? This second step, going to irs.gov, check your refund status, filling out this information, seeing your Domino pizza tracker, that should resolve 99% of the issues. If it doesn't, if it's been 21 days, and 21 days you have not gotten your refund, if you've gone to this Domino pizza tracker and it's saying, it's just sort of stalled, that your refund's not been approved, check out, there's two things I would tell you to do. Number one, check out the FAQs right here with the IRS. They're going to tell you, hey, you expect delays, and here are the likely reasons there was a delay. And just run through that list. Say, okay, did I do this? Did I have this? Did I do this? Whatever. And think, oh, shoot, I might have made a mistake here. If you did, don't file a second return. Work with your CFP, work with your CPA, file an amended return. All right. So that's one. If you're still waiting, then I would first look at these FAQs and see, all right, do any of these potentially apply to me? But then second, this is one of the reasons why I would tell you work with a CFP and a CPA to get your return done, as opposed to just doing it online yourself. Because now you've got someone in your corner and you can reach out and say, should I be worried? Is there any way you can contact the IRS, or what should I do? Likely, if you call them, you call us on day 21, we're going to run through this list, and yeah, none of those apply. Okay, let's just give it a little bit more time. The IRS, it is taking longer because of all these tax law changes and stimulus payments and everything else going on. Let's give it a little more time. If you give it more time and you're still waiting, then your certified financial planner, your CPA, when you sign off on your return, you're allowing them, most of you are selecting the box that says, I'm allowing this individual to talk to the IRS about my return status. And so your CPA could reach out to the IRS and say, hey, where are things? All right. Again, they're not going to do this on day 21. They might not do it on day 29. They might give the IRS a little bit more time because we know all the changes they're dealing with. But if you're still waiting, there's got to be a reason. There's got to be a reason. If you're past those 30 days, there's got to be a reason. Work with your CFP, your CPA, and hopefully they can contact the IRS and figure out what's going on, see if you need to file an amendment, see if you just need to be patient. It's not uncommon for the IRS to say, yeah, we're just reviewing the return. There's nothing you can do. We're taking our sweet old time having a person review your return, and then you just wait, which is why I often recommend that people are shooting to break even on their taxes, okay? Do tax planning so that you're paying the least amount of tax over your lifetime, and then to the extent possible, do everything you can to break even, okay? And, with estimates and with the business and whatever this year, I had more paid in, we're getting a refund. Not my preference, okay? Not my preference for these reasons. Right now, just like many of you, I'm sort of stuck. Just waiting on the IRS. Mine hasn't been 21 days, but it's been close. So that's what I would tell you to do. Work with your certified financial planner, work with your CPA, after you've confirmed your return has been filed and accepted, after you've gone to the irs.gov, check your refund status, looked at that tracker and said, where am I? After you've done that, if it's still delayed significantly, not right at the 21 days, but significantly beyond that, contact your CFP and your CPA and say, hey, can you inquire what's going on here? I would tell you the big win when it comes to taxes is doing tax planning, paying the least amount of tax over your lifetime, and then avoiding tax surprises, all right? So work with your certified financial planner on that proactive tax approach. If you don't have a CFP, you can contact one on my team. Find us online, korhorn.com. That's Korhorn with a K. wisemoneyshow.com. You can find us there as well, or just give us a call, 574-247-5898. All right, there you have it. Go out and take your next wise step in your financial life.